Gotta try Pani Puri. Namaste, Didi. Pani Puri? Can we try
Three?
You wanna try as well?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, you fine? Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
We'll try 2, please.
2 piece?
Yeah, just 2 piece. First time, you know, so we wanna try. Hello, you want one as well? So aloo,
Yeah.
onions,
Onions.
pepper, capsicum.
Water.
Okay. And you crush it. You make a hole inside the.
Pani Puri ko pani ल्याएर यहाँ आइज त
I don't know what it's called, but the dough kind of thing, and then you fill it up.
यो एउटा भागमा पानी खाने छ
You want spicy or?
Spicy for me.
One spicy, one no spicy, please. So one
We
spicy.
have all are same, not
Oh.
spicy.
Okay, no spicy. Oh, okay.
Only little bit spicy.
Okay. So we're next to our hotel, so we need to run inside. And this is the water, yeah?
Yeah.
How do you feel? So it's Tandubat. We'll do it together.
Thank you.
Alright.
Stop it.
Spicy. Woo.
One more?
He's good. I might have one more. Yeah. Woo.
What?
Yeah. It's interesting, eh? So,
Mais c'est frais. We'll take one.
you'll take one? Okay,
Yeah,
2.
We'll try this one.
Take me back to Mumbai.
Zeg dat wel het staat, hoor. Thank you.
Alright.
Cheers.
Yeah.
ओए पुस्ने कुरा नि हेर्ने त ए पानी पुरीको डल्ला नि ले त अनि
Bon, hein?
Alright. After the second one, the shock is gone.
Really?
Yeah, it's good. And the baht. Kitne rupee?
20 rupees.
20 rupee each?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
20 rupees each.
C'est quoi?
I don't know, I said each. I should have not said that, but it's too late now.
C'est bon, j'ai. It's okay, it's okay. I
Yes,
have,
sir.
I have only the big one. So I can take that one yet?
So he's 20, he's a 10.
50. Ça fait combien? Ça fait 4.
2, 4, 6, 8. It's 80.
5 rupees for one piece.
Ouais,
4 piece 20 rupees. All 20.
Well, it's no problem anyway, so. Oh, it's 5 rupees for one piece. Oh, that's thank you. Cool. Thank you so much.
More you can later, okay?
Okay, and you also do chat pute?
Saturday, yeah.
Yeah, okay, I might come later for chat pute.
Okay.
Kandiba. Whoa, that was really cool.
Pas cher, hein?
Oh man, I need some water. I've got like a headache. Namaste. Kitne rupee?
What?
Kitne rupee? No, water. 50. अच्छा. Okay, 50 rupees. आपके नाम क्या है? Lebashna. Ah, अच्छा. Lebashna. You work here? Good? Good, acha. You work here?
Yeah.
Wow. Very good. Business person, wow. Oh, good?
Yes.
Right. got my water. What else do they do here? They got restaurants. Acha, let me find out. This restaurants as well?
Yeah.
Can I see your menu, please? This is you.
Yeah.
What's this award?
Volleyball.
Oh yeah, youth club. First. Wow. Amazing. Wow, my Nepal pride, Nepal my pride. This is all volleyball.
All are.
Here is that?
Yeah.
Wow, incredible. Oh, look at this one. It says Sidai Youth Club, like volleyball championships. Amazing. Superstar.
Superstar, yeah.
Superstar. She's so talented. Wow.